大家好，欢迎来到我的小博客。Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and we are learning Chinese together here. This is another Words of the Week video where I share what new vocabulary I have learned over the past week, and I encourage you to write in the comment section what new words and grammar points you have learned over the past week. This way we can all learn faster and more efficiently. So the first word is 监控, which means surveillance or literally to monitor and control. You can say 监控视频, which is a CCTV video, a CCTV footage, or 监控头, which is a CCTV camera. 监控系统 is a surveillance system which now watches our every move in every big city.
或这个监控视频，你就可以调用我们云上的程序来做各种各样的事情。
The next word is 被害人, a victim, or literally a person who was hurt.
被害人颅内神经损伤，目前在医院还没有痊愈。
不可能！
I started to watch this Chinese show on Netflix. It's called Day and Night. It's a criminal drama, so lots of vocabulary that I learn now comes from this field. Another word that comes from this show is Shun, which is to question, to interrogate. 审讯嫌犯, to interrogate a suspect. So 审讯 is only about suspects. For victims and witnesses, you want to use the word 询问. For example, 询问证人, to question a witness.
这段视频是接受审讯的女人，她在使用测谎器的同时回答问题。
The next word is 脑残, silly, stupid. 你脑残了. Are you out of your mind? 我不想陪你看那些脑残的偶像剧. I don't want to watch those stupid TV shows with you.
最近在网络上看到一句关于脑残的英文定义，原文是这样说的 ：Your brain has two parts, left and right. 你的脑子有两部分，它们是左脑和右脑。Your left brain has nothing right. 你的左脑什么都不对。Your right brain has nothing left. 你的右脑什么都不剩。大家觉得这个定义经典吗？
The next word is Fanchang, which is abnormal, unusual. It's the opposite of 正常. 今天的天气有点反常. The weather is a little bit abnormal today. And from this comes the 成语一反常态, which describes some out of character action or behavior. 他今天一反常态，起得很早。He woke up unusually early today.
在欧洲国家，我们看见反常的天气，有大风雪，大水灾。
Next is 巴不得, to look forward, to be eager for something. 我巴不得放假。I am dying for a vacation. 我巴不得马上回到老乡。I cannot wait to get back home.
这个世界上，身边有很多人巴不得你不成功，巴不得你不好。突然你好了，他会说你怎么能好呢？哇，这是人性。
车水马龙, endless stream of carriages and horses. Now, in real life, it can describe heavy traffic, a busy street, or a shop that attracts many customers. 晚上步行街上车水马龙. The pedestrian street is full of people at night.
当年是车水马龙、人山人海的地方。
And the last one for today is 自拔, to tear yourself away from something, to stop doing something. It's usually used in phrases 不能自拔, just can't tear yourself away from something. For example, 无法自拔的游戏, a game that you can't stop playing. 他热爱摄影，已经到了不能自拔的程度。He loves photography to the point that he can't tear himself away from it.
最近大家是不是都沉迷动森无法自拔？
Okay, so that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to practice in the comment section what vocabulary you're currently learning. And 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。